I was pretty down in the dumps because I had always been somebody who like went running, ran half marathons, walked, very active, skied, sailed, did all those kind of things. And I just didn't have the energy to be able to do any of those. So I could hardly walk around the corner here. In fact, walking to our corner shop, which is about 300 meters away, was just too far. So I really felt terrible and consequently got very downhearted and took it out on my poor husband.
So how do you feel on your legs now compared to?
Well, now I feel nearly back to normal. Not quite there yet, but nearly. And so much more cheerful and I've got so much more energy. And I've had at various times I've had various little breakthroughs. One of them was with doing the breathing exercises, where I found that I learnt to expand my breath into places within my body that had never been touched.
So tell me a little bit about how you were happening, how you were, what was happening for you, how were you feeling before the class physically in terms of the state of your body, health, mind, aches, pains, that.
Um, so I get a lot of stiffness. Sometimes it's because I don't sleep very well, so when I wake up, my neck is stiff. Um, I've had problems with my lower back for quite a while.
So tell me how things changed after doing my classes that drawn yoga, qigong, different types of physiotherapeutic movement, even martial arts. What changes did that make in your body and energy?
It made me much sort of looser inside. Movements were much smoother, and I wasn't thinking all the time about the stiffness in my lower back. That was alleviated.
That's
Yeah.
and how does it make you feel on an emotional level when you have that bit of extra freedom of movement, that mobility, that bit of extra energy?
Yeah. Yeah, I think the movement in the classes, I've done some of the videos for lower back, and I think actually somehow it really seems to lift my mood as well. Um, and then I feel with this lift in mood that I have confidence that doing these exercises will work.
You have a way of teaching which you impart all your knowledge in such a lovely way, and we benefit enormously from all the various ways that you teach us, particularly emphasizing the breath always, but always in a very interesting way. So I just want to say that it's never boring, it's always a joy, and it makes me feel terrific. So I can't say anything more than that.